Welcome to this presentation on wires and vias in chip design. We'll explore what they are, how they're created, and key design considerations. Let's start by defining our key terms. Wires are essentially the pathways for electrical signals on a chip. They're made from materials like polysilicon and metals, such as aluminum or copper. These wires are stacked in layers to maximize connectivity. Vias, on the other hand, are the vertical connections between these layers. They're created by etching through the insulating silicon dioxide, allowing for communication between different levels of the chip. Now let's look at how these wires are made. N-diffusion and P-diffusion wires are created by doping regions of the substrate. Polysilicon and metal wires are then laid on top, insulated from the substrate and each other by silicon dioxide, or CO2. To increase connectivity, the process is layered, with additional wires and insulating CO2 layers added on top. Vias are simply cuts in the insulating CO2. Metal flows through these cuts to create the connection between the desired layers. Modern chip manufacturing often uses copper interconnects because of their superior conductivity. A special protective layer is used to prevent the copper from contaminating the semiconductor substrate. The design rules for copper interconnects are similar to those for aluminum, but their circuit characteristics differ significantly. Designing efficient and reliable wires and vias requires careful consideration of several factors. For wires, we need to minimize resistance by using wider wires and shorter paths. We also need to manage capacitance to avoid signal degradation. For vias, larger vias minimize resistance, and proper formation ensures reliability. The density of vias must be carefully balanced with overall routing constraints. In conclusion, wires and vias are essential components of integrated circuits. Careful design is critical for optimal performance and reliability. Ongoing advancements in materials and fabrication techniques continue to push the boundaries of chip performance, leading to ever more powerful and efficient devices. Thank you.